What it do, Corliss Finds? Time for another update. A few highs and a few lows today. We'll start off from back here. As you can see, the vines have finally made their way towards the end of the trellis net. And I came out a little earlier this morning. Get out of here. Damn ant. Started to curve it back around. So these are 6-inch segments. We're going to bring it over about 12 inches and then shoot it back down. Bring it back up this way. The cantaloupes will integrate themselves growing across that way. But for the most part, we are looking good. I mean, everything looks healthy. Everybody seems to be happy. Let's continue with these ups before I bring it back down. So, yeah, 2 new fruit sets here. I'm wondering if these are going to be viable due to the rest of the fruit sets being a really, really dark hue of green as they were being set. It's like that one. We come to these, they're much, much lighter yellow, and I've experienced in the past, that's usually when they're rotting, though these don't show any signs of rot. We'll give them a chance. Plenty of male flowers. Let's see, we got another melon coming up here. This one is just starting to make its way past the support. And the melons are growing amazingly. Jeez Louise. They almost double in size every time I come out here, man. This is crazy. Time for a bit of negative, people. All right, so I've been training this thing, right? Vine number 3. We had an issue here where I ended up having to do some patchwork on the vine to keep it growing, and it ended up working. It started off back here, but as you can see, it's finally made its way to the other side. I'm like, right on, man. We doing good. I had this one bent up, and when I came out this morning, dun dun dun, I'm not sure if it's cracking from the stress of me trying to bend it, but then again, I mean, look at that. Come on. Could be anything. But it still seems to be alive. We'll see if it somehow miraculously survives that. If not, I mean, it'll be all right. The main vine decided to continue to grace us with its presence. And we actually have a tertiary shoot here. Check it out. Starting to get it trained coming this way. And I'll bring it back down and I'll let it hang to the floor. Coming on down, I did a bit of trim work. I'm trying to keep all my energy going up the vine. So I came and chopped off all of the shoots that were down here on all 3 vines. Could have cleaned it up a little better, but you know, it was what it was. It's getting kind of late. But all in all, we're doing okay. We're doing okay. Moving on to the cantaloupe. This thing is looking good. Remember we had that one struggle melon last year? Yeah, not no more. So if we can count them out, I got what, 1 here. A few up top, we won't count those. They're still developing. So we'll say 2, 3, 4. 5. Be it made that it's small, we still counted 6. So we got 6 on one plant here. Coming to the other, nothing yet. Still developing. But that's okay. It has time. And our pumpkin, jeez Louise, man. This guy. has all but stole the show. This is going to be amazing to see these massive orange fruits hanging from the sky. Should be blossoming here within the next few days. See, that one's getting huge. Male flowers internoting right on time for what we need. All in all, I'll say everything is starting to look pretty dadgum healthy. And even the cantaloupe we have tucked over here in the corner, it's putting on fruit sets. So I can lock in on it. There we go. It's freaking everywhere, man. Tell you, it's positive vibes, positive vibes. I've been screaming this all year long, people. Positive vibes. Do the work. Put the work in. And I promise you, you'll have nothing but good results. Make it do what it do. Later on, we'll come back and we'll discuss more of what's going on here on the ground level, especially with the kiwi here. It'll probably have its own series. Yeah, that's what I got. I'll holla.